someone will replace you if you are not using AI, because this is the bitter truth and you have to accept that if you are not using AI, so definitely your job might get in trouble very soon. So this is why I thought this video should come in front of you, or I am recording this video for your for your career as well. Okay, so this is why I thought I should deliver the content before it's get too late. Okay, so this is why let me show you the things. Okay, and we will see that how the how we can use the AI for the faster .NET application development, because companies always prefer those candidates who can work faster and efficient with in a very short time. Okay, so this is why many developers are start using the AI. Okay, but I thought that most of the developers are still not using AI in efficient way. Okay, so this is why I thought this video should come in front of you. Okay, so let's see that how the things should work, and what the things that we will discuss in this video. Okay, so let me show you the things that what we are doing here. Okay, so there are 17 points that I will tell you in this video. Okay, or after completing this 17 points, you will feel confident and you will make yourself faster .NET application development as well. Okay, so let's see. So the first point that you can use AI for your C sharp model and data generation as well. Okay, or let me show you that how to create your C sharp class and entities related things. Okay, so let me tell you a scenario where you can create the classes as well. Okay, so let's go to the app settings.json, or I am trying to make the configuration hardening. Okay, so what I am doing here. Okay, so simply suppose I want to make the classes of this JSON file. Okay, so simply what I will do here, simply I will just copy this thing. Okay, or I will go to my Google Chrome. Okay, and you can use any AI. Okay, like personally I used to type two AIs. First is ChatGPT and second is DeepSeek. Okay, you can use any one of them. Okay, and you can use uh, like uh, uh, it's totally up to you that on which AI you believe it. Okay, personally I believe in the ChatGPT. Okay, so simply I will just go to the chatgpt.com, or I will paste this JSON. Okay, or simply I will tell him that uh, like uh, generate C sharp class model. That's it. Okay, or it will generate me C sharp class model. Okay, or here you can see that it gives me the things related to the JSON file that I have used, that I will use to make the things configuration hardening. Okay, or you can use it for whenever you get the response from the third party API, so just you have to copy the response or come here or paste your JSON file here. Okay, after that what you need to here, simply just write the prompt is generate C sharp class model, or you will get your classes like this. Okay, you can create the more complex classes as well. Okay, so through this approach you can use AI for your .NET application development. Okay, I know guys, like this is a very important thing. Okay, and most of the developers always stuck in this loop. Okay, because like they just writing through the keyboard. Okay, or just they are creating the classes. So this is not a good practice. You should start upgrading yourself in the era of AI. Okay, so this is the first thing where we can use AI for a .NET application development. Now the second thing is curl making. If you don't know what is the curl, go to the video on my Postman, use Postman like a pro. Okay, and I will give you the video link in the description box of this video. Okay, and someone those know that how, like what is the curl. So this is the good thing. Okay, so what you need to hear. Okay, suppose I want to create curl. Okay, like I have the APIs like this. Okay, let me show you the things like how to create the curl. Okay, so suppose let me go to the controller. Okay, so suppose the controller, let's take a basic controller. Okay, so the controller that I am taking is the in the booking system controller, or yes, I have this this DTO. Okay, in this DTO I have several classes like this. Okay, I have to pass all these parameters one by one. Okay, so and you have to create the things as well. Okay, so I will tell you that how to use AI to make the API in the Postman. Okay, so let's see that how the things should work. So simply what I will do here, simply I will just copy the things. Okay, so I will go there. Okay, or I will go to the chat gpt. In the new chat, simply I will paste the classes like this. After that, I will paste my API name as well. So the API name is ride booking notify driver. Okay, so this is my API name. Okay, or like this. Okay, or I will give the URL as well. Okay, like where this API is exist. Okay, so temporarily I will put the URL like this. Okay, so local host 5000. Okay, or booking like API booking or system. After that, I will paste this API name here. Okay, or I will tell him that please generate the curl. Okay, or with for JSON format. Okay, body, that's it. Or if I hit the request, okay, or it will generate me curl where I can create, where I can use this curl to manage the things in the postman. Okay, so you can see that I have generated this curl. Or simply I will just copy this curl, or I will go there, or simply I will just import this curl into my postman. Okay, like this. So I have passed my curl here, or in which repository that I want to use here. So I will use the test collection, or simply I will just import this API as well. Okay, so you will see that things like everything is set up automatically, or you will see that in the body section everything is things already entered. Okay, like you don't need to enter the things statically like this. Okay, just you have to you have to add the things like this. Okay, so I hope you love this thing and you love this approach as well, like how to use AI for creating the kernel of your APIs as well. Okay, so this is how the things you can use. Okay, or sounds interesting. So if you love this video and if you love this thing, okay, so guys, I just want to request that please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video to your friends, your colleagues, or network as well. Okay, so along with that, let me show you the things like what's the thing that we can use AI for the next thing. Okay, or now the next thing is like you can create, like you can convert LINQ query to SQL or SQL to LINQ. So like what you need to here, suppose let me show you the things. Okay, or let's move to the let me see that what we can implement here. Okay, so suppose this is the thing. Okay, or I have write the things regarding the LINQ. Okay, or I want to execute things in the LINQ. Okay, so what in the SQL. Okay, like I want to convert the things into the SQL. So what I need here. Okay, simply I will just copy there. Okay, go your AI tool. Okay, paste it here, or simply I will tell him. Okay, like convert LINQ to SQL query. That's it. Okay, or simply it will automatically convert your LINQ query to SQL. Okay, like first you should know that where we can use this thing. Okay, suppose your application is written in the LINQ. Okay, and if you are targeting the performance based thing. Okay, then you will use depper in, and you know it very well, like in the depper requires SQL query. So this is why in this approach you can use the things. Okay, or you will see that like we have successfully generated the LINQ query. Okay, like SQL query. Okay, so this is how the things you can use. Okay, or I personally like to use the things for the using the AI. Okay, so this is how like you can do, or the things, or simply you can use the things regarding the, like you can convert the SQL to LINQ query as well. So this is the vice versa, and both are the true as well. Now the next thing is like generics creation. So like I want to create some generic classes. So how to use AI for generic classes. Okay, so simply I will go there. Let me show you that what is the generic classes and what I am exactly I am trying to explain you. Let's see that what the things that we can see here. So like you will see that yes, so this is the generics classes that I have, like that I was telling you. Okay, or like this is or this is the generic class for the API responses as well. Like this API can return a response in any format. So this is why you should use generics. Or if you don't know that how to create a generics response or generic request, so simply you have to go there or ask that generate me C sharp generic class for API responses. That's it. Or just hit the enter, or it will generate you the generic classes like this. Or you can use API response classes like OK status, fail status. So in such a way you can use AI to create the generics as well. Now the next thing that where you can use AI to writing the test cases, you can write the unit test cases or the integration test cases. How you can write this? Let me tell you what you need to hear. I will go there, or suppose I want to create the test cases of this thing. Okay, so what I will do here, first you have to tell so many things to your chat gpt. After the things makes easy for you. Okay, or like you can ask and you can tell him that generate test cases, generate unit test cases using. Okay, there are multiple frameworks to use, like add the test cases. Okay, so simply I will just use the x unit library. Okay, or let me, or it will generate me the unit test cases of this API. Okay, or while you will see the things it is generating me the template classes to add the things. Or the first test cases you will see the success scenario, the failed scenario. In this way you can create the test cases using the AI. Or personally I use AI to create the test cases. I never written the like I have never written the test cases manually as well. Okay, now you can create the and you can use the AI for your API documentations, user manuals, and the thick XML comments. Okay, like how you can create the API technical documentation or the such kind of things. So let me show you that what you need to hear. So let's go to the authorization controller again, or let me copy this API. I want to create the API, I want to create the API technical documentation, user manual, or like XML comment for this API. So what you need to hear, generate me the API technical documentation, user manual, and XML comments. That's it. Or it will generate the things automatically, like you don't need to maintain the things manually as well. Or you will see the tech API technical documentation, like it is mentioning the things that you should always maintain in the technical documentation like this. Okay, so this is how you can use AI for maintaining the technical documentation like this. Or or along with that, you will see that the responses as well. So this is how you can use the AI, or the XML comment that you can add on the API as well. So this is the things that you should use AI for your .NET application faster as well. Now the next point that I want to discuss here, which is that you can use API for the mapping help as well. Like you can use most of the .NET developer, they use automapper, or they want to map your DTO to your entity, but somehow your DTO keys and the entity keys are different to each other. Okay, so you can ask the AI to create the managing the things. Okay, so let's see that how the things should work. Or let me show you that how the things should work. Okay, so suppose let's take a basic model where I can use AI. Okay, so this is the thing that I want to use here, or DTO. Or now the next is login DTO, create mapper configuration. Okay, and uh, like uh, map properties accordingly. This is how like you should use AI for mapping the objects and values to each other. So this is how like sounds good or everything looks good as well. So this is why you should AI or you should start using AI to create the such kind of things. Or like you will see that like you don't need to waste your time as well. Now the next thing is like you can use AI to create the regex expression and the validator as well. So suppose I want to create the regex for create regex for email address. Suppose I want to create the regex for email address for the validation. In the suppose there is a basic form where I need to put the email address, but somehow like I want to add the regex validation for the email. Okay, so this is how like you should use AI to create the regex. Okay, or not for email regex, you can add any kind of the regex. It's totally up to you that how to use, like how the things you want to use AI or for regex creation. So this is why like personally I use this AI tool for regex creation as well. Like I don't know that how to create a regex, and even I don't know the syntax of the regex as well. Simply I just go there or just I will paste the things like this. Okay, so this is how like you should start using AI, and this is the smart work along with that. Now the next thing that I use AI for like DevOps and CI/CD script generation. This is a very important thing that you should start using the AI. Or if you don't know that how to you like how to create a CI/CD script YML file, okay, for your CI/CD for your automation. Okay, so this is why like you should start using the AI. So I will just write the create .yml file for Azure CI/CD, okay, for my ASP.NET Core application. Okay, it will give you a very basic template where and there you can use directly into your application. Just you have to replace the things with your configuration, or you will see that everything is added automatically. Just you have to replace the things according to you. Okay, or everything is set up automatically. So this is how this is why I use AI to create such kind of things, or I do and I and I do work faster as well. Now you can use AI for the Docker file and Docker Composer file as well. So not the next thing that I am gonna to discuss here, which is the create Docker file for Docker file and Docker Composer for ASP.NET Core. Okay, but it will just give you a basic template for your Docker file and Docker Composer of your .NET Core application. Or you will see that like this is the Docker file that it is generated with the commands as well. Or you don't need to anything here, just you have to replace the things like this, and as it is you have to put the things. Okay, like if you are application in the .NET 8 .NET 10, then you have to replace the SDK version thereafter, or it is copying the CS project file, so like you don't need to mention the your project structure as well. Just or like you can add the things regarding the folder as well. So this is how, or you don't forget to mention your DLL file as well. Now that you will see that Docker Composer file as well. Okay, so this is how, and this is why you should use AI for Docker file development as well. Or personally I love this thing. I'm mostly I use AI for these two things. Okay, now you can add and you can do the exception handling for AI using the AI for your APIs. Okay, so let me show you that how to use this thing. Okay, or let's go back, or simply I will just copy this method add record. Okay, or I what I will do here, I will ask AI to handle the all kind of exception. Okay, so handle all kind of exception. Like I don't need to do manually as well. Like everything is going automatically. Or like I know guys, knowledge is important, but along with that you should do your work faster as well. Like companies are not waiting for your like companies don't want like you are taking much time. In fact, they want the faster response from you. So this is why you start using AI. Okay, so this is why the concept of AI has come in this world as well. Okay, now uh, yes, you will see this code structure that like everything is wind up in the try catch block, or all kind of exception handling is done here. Or this is why like I use AI for this kind of things. Okay, I know that like there are a lot of things is added here. Okay, but like you can add the things for convenience as well. Okay, now the next thing that you can use AI for the your third party API integration. Suppose you have your like you have PDF documentation, or you want to execute and you want to create the API for using this third party integration. Okay, so simply what you need to here is just upload your document or ask the AI that please please help me to create integrate the API, this API in my application. Okay, or you can tell the AI like page number as well, so that AI just directly go that page number or find your APIs, or it will give you the configuration, or it will guide you as well. So this is why or personally I use the things for the third party API integration as well. Okay, now you can use the AI for Ajax default template as well. I know guys, like most of you don't know that, like they always make mistakes in the Ajax template as well. So simply just use AI for Ajax template. You have to write create Ajax template, or you will see that it will generate you the basic Ajax template that you should use. Or let me show you the things. So you will see that JavaScript Ajax jQuery. Okay, so this is how like you should use AI for this. Okay, in most of those cases I always forgot the syntax of the Ajax as well. I make mistakes as well. So this is why like I use AI for this thing. Now the next thing that where you can use AI is like code optimization, but you have to use it wisely. Okay, in this scenario, exceptionally, in this scenario, code optimization, you should use AI, but you have to use in a very wisely way. If you haven't any concept, and if you don't have clarity in the concept of .NET, so guys, don't use AI in such scenarios. Otherwise, your application may crash as well. So this is why I mention the things like, but use wisely. Okay, so I will just copy the things here as well. Okay, so and if you don't, and if you feel that you are lacking in some concepts of .NET, so just you can refer my YouTube channel, or you can find your videos for your interest as well. Okay, now you can use AI for create the template class as well. Okay, like it is looking like generic creation. Okay, you see that generic classes there. I show you that like a generic response, or you will see that I have created general classes like a template, or at every API the it will give me the same I will use this same template class. Okay, so you will use AI for creating the template class. Now you can use the AI for the code migration as well. Suppose your like suppose your application is in the .NET 4.10, or a client wants to convert this code in your or your API into the .NET 10. There, in this scenario, you should use AI for faster web development as well, faster development and faster application development in such kind of the scenarios. Okay, now the next thing where I use AI for creating the React Angular app component from the existing UI. Suppose I got a project in the like embassy, and client wants me that I want to create a UI in the Angular. So for this reference, I use AI to create the components classes. Okay, or every UI through the AI. Okay, So this is why you should use AI for your .NET development. Okay, or I hope you love all these 17 points to use AI. Okay, or just comment me down in this video that in which scenarios you like, which scenario you like the most after watching this video. Okay, so along with that, the thing is like start using AI. Or personally, like companies always prefer those candidates like who knows that how to use AI in a smarter way. Or if you don't know, and if you are not using AI, so start using AI. Okay, or this is how like you should AI, and you should use AI in these 17 points. Okay, but there are a lot of things that I will tell you in the upcoming videos. Okay, so like till then, like you have to wait for that videos. Okay, or if you want the videos in a very early time, just comment me down in this video. So definitely next video would can be the second part of this video. Okay, so if you love this video, if you love this content, so I just want to request you that please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video to your friends, your colleagues, or network as well. Or guys, don't delay to like to lost your job as well. Okay, one more thing is that like I want to request you something that we have like let me show you the things. Like I have like we have completed 500 family in our YouTube channel. Like, it is 508 family members in my YouTube channel. Thank you so much, guys. You and you like I am seeing your response as well. So like definitely I will give you the best advice and the best videos in the upcoming videos as well. Okay, in the upcoming time as well. Okay, or like we are planning and we are creating the things for you. Okay, or we are if you want to ask me anything, just ask me in the comment section of this video. Or even you can ask, and even you can DM me as well. Okay, like DM me in my LinkedIn profile. Okay, so let me show you the LinkedIn profile of mine. Or like you can find the link of my LinkedIn profile in the description box of this video. But if you want to see, so I will show you that what is the LinkedIn profile that you need to search here, which is the Rohan Kumawat. Or just you will found me on my LinkedIn profile. Okay, and most of the candidates always ask me things related with .NET development. Okay, or this is the profile photo that you can recognize me as well. Or another thing that I want to tell you guys, we have the official website. Or in the like on the 1st January I release a video which is the like New Year special video. Okay, so you can found the video there. Or you, and there I gave an assignment to all the users, or like who want to like who want to learn .NET. Okay, so or and there I gave the target as well. If someone fulfills the target, then I will mention his or her name on my website permanently, or it is the lifetime achievement for that candidate as well. So thank you for watching this video till here, and till then take care guys. Bye bye, have a good day.